Hi, I'm Jim Carroll. I'm a futures trends and innovation expert, and as we head into 2018, it's probably a good time to take a look at some of the key trends which are going to redefine your world and change the world of business at an absolutely furious pace. We live in an absolutely transformative period of time with so many trends coming together all at once, which are providing for our world to be disrupted in very significant ways. Everything from 3D printing to artificial intelligence to cryptocurrencies and distributed technologies. We are witnessing the acceleration of self-driving cars and a variety of other technologies which are reshaping entire industries at an absolutely furious pace. The underlying trend that is occurring here is every single company is becoming a software company. Every single industry is becoming a technology industry. And what this does is it speeds up the pace of innovation. In the technology industry, we've seen Moore's Law for years. The processing power of a computer chip doubles every 18 months and the cost cuts in half. And that speed of change is now coming to every single industry as they become technology bound. Certainly, open source networks and global idea collaborative factories are driving forth the pace of innovation. Edge thinking is dominating, with initiatives like Kickstarter aligning for a new form of R&D that is causing faster change within industries. Companies are discovering that a lot of the innovation which is impacting their future is occurring out in global collaborative communities. In the new garages of the 21st century, there are individuals who are discovering the ideas that will transform our world and reshape entire industries. What is happening here as this unfolds is that small organizations increasingly can define the future of larger organizations. Think about the little device Square, which completely redefined the global credit card industry because they provided a simple way for people to undertake credit card transactions through their iPhone. Similar levels of disruption are beginning to occur in every single industry as the very essence of what innovation is and where it occurs begins to change. New capabilities and new ways of doing things are leading to the inconceivable becoming conceivable in a short period of time. The levels and types of research and development occurring in industries are undergoing significant change as all of these trends accelerate as well. It's said that distributed energy resources in the energy sector are growing 3 times faster than traditional energy investment. The whole process of conceiving the future is changing because of new design methodologies. We are in a world of rapid concept generation, rapid concept development, and rapid prototyping, driven by advanced methodologies, new software, and 3D printing technologies. We are in a world in which suddenly the impossible becomes possible faster than ever before through a new iterative redesign type of process. In this world of hyperconnectivity, everything becomes smart and everything gains intelligence. Have you thought about what is happening with light poles? They're becoming Fitbits for cities. We can embed environmental sensing technology into them to monitor for air quality. They're becoming smart car charging stations with embedded credit card technology so that we can plug in electric vehicles anywhere. They're becoming Wi-Fi stations as we accelerate towards a smart city infrastructure. The big issue with knowledge is that skills access is the new world. Look at what's happening with automotive companies. They are in a rush to get computer skills, high-tech skills, skills necessary to understand what is happening with the acceleration of the industry into self-driving technology. They are investing billions of dollars to get the right minds to do the right work to take themselves into the faster future. You know, put it together, we've got people who are thinking big and bold. There's a lot of Elon Musks about. One of my favorite phrases came from Tesla's SEC filing last year, where they basically said, we have no experience today in manufacturing vehicles at the high volumes that we anticipate for the Model 3. And to be successful, we're gonna have to figure out how to do things that we've never done before. You talk about a brash statement, and that's the type of attitude which is coming into every single industry and causing very significant disruption. That's what you need to prepare yourself for in a future in which the world belongs to those who are fast.